Penny is going for a car ride. Mommy helps her buckle up the seatbelt. Don't forget your seatbelt, Mommy. Penny wants her doll, but she can't reach it. Her seatbelt is in the way. Penny, don't unbuckle your seatbelt. That cat is sitting in the middle of the road. Phew, the cat is safe. But Penny bumped her head.
You should always buckle up your seatbelt.
Seatbelts keep us safe. Penny is playing with Baby. She makes sure Baby puts on a seatbelt. Oh no! A rock! Baby lost her doll. But the seatbelt kept Baby safe.
Buckling up seatbelts is very important.
The seatbelt is protecting Baby and her doll. Okay, Pit. Don't forget your seatbelt and your helmet. You too, Penny. Pit wants to unbuckle his seatbelt. Oh, Pit.
Pete, buckle up your seatbelt.
Pit doesn't want to. Officer Pumpkin wants Daddy to stop. Pit needs to buckle up.
Seatbelts are very important.
They keep you from getting hurt. That's better, Pit. Enjoy your bike ride, kids! Pilot Blueberry is ready to take off. But first, the passengers must put on their seatbelts. Daddy's belt is a little tight. You did it, Pit! Your turn, Mommy. Everyone's ready, Blueberry. The sun is in Daddy's eye.
The window blinds must be open during takeoff and landing.
Does Mommy want something from the cart? Mommy wants to read. And would Daddy like something from the cart? He chose a bottle of water. Watch out, Pit. You need to tell Daddy the rules.
Throw your trash in the bin!
Do you understand, Daddy? What's going on? Mommy and Daddy don't need to worry.
Don't be afraid. It's just some turbulence.
Now Daddy needs to use the restroom. But Daddy should wait in his seat.
You're in turbulence. You need to stay in your seat.
It's now safe to use the restroom. Why is the door locked?
If there is a red line on the door, it's occupied.
Uh-oh. Who's flying the plane? Pit's flying the plane. The plane has landed safely.
Thank you for flying our airline.
You kids were an excellent crew. Baby wants her rattle. But be careful, baby. Baby got a boo-boo on her head. Time for Mommy's boo-boo song. Yay! Baby feels much better. Penny is riding her bike. Oh no! Watch out for the duck! Penny has a boo-boo on her arm. Hurry, Mommy! Sing your song! Penny is ready to ride her bike. But don't forget your helmet. Pit is playing with his toy car. Oops, now there's water on the floor. Pit has a boo-boo on his knee. We need Mommy's boo-boo song. Mommy puts ointment on Pit's boo-boo. It's all better now. Baby is being careful. Penny is being careful. And Pit is being careful too. This all makes Mommy very happy. Pit and Penny are out for a walk. But they're not paying attention. Oh no! The light changed to red! Someone needs to help Pit and Penny.
Hey!
It's okay. You're safe, Pit and Penny. Never use your phone while crossing the road.
Stop!
Don't cross the street when the light is red. When the light turns green, you can…
Go! Stop. Go.
Remember the rules, kids. A red light means…
Stop!
And the green light means…
Come on, let's go.
Thank you, Mr. Light.